Okay, we're going to do a video here on 2022 KLR650 from Kawasaki. Changed out the shift lever, so that's what we'll be doing today. My 15.6E boot could not fit, so from Happy Trails, and again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I bought one of their extended shift levers and began putting that on. Let me start by apologizing for maybe some bad video here, bad lighting. I'm not set up with the right cameras yet, but I'm working on it. Today I'm going to be replacing my shift lever. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos here, I wear a 15.6E. So, the original shifting space here just doesn't work for me. So it's going to take a 10mm wrench, and I picked up a 1-inch longer shift lever, and I got that from Happy Trails. They're not sponsoring me or anything like that. They're the ones that happen to have a longer one, so we're gonna swap this out. Alrighty. Okay, what I discovered here is there's actually a groove around the shaft on that, so that bolt there has to come all the way out before it'll come off. And there it is off. You can see that groove between the splines there. That bolt actually lays in there, so if it does come loose, it won't actually fall off on you. Big hands and small spots has been kind of tough. It's taken me about 1/8 of a turn every time to do this. It's going to be at about 1,000,000 of these little 1/8 of a turns here. As soon as I get her tightened down, I'll come back on. Okay, finally got her on there. She's all tightened up again back there, and she's in place. Looks like it's going to work just fine. It's missing and not going to rub on the case there, and it's not going to hit below. It looks pretty good.